for loop. You know very well there are three different looping structure in C. One for loop, second one is while loop, third one is do while loop. Okay, this for loop is very important. Okay, what is for loop? It is a repetition control structure. Repetition control structure means it allow us to write a loop, which needs to be executed a specific number of times. It is also used to iterative statement. Okay, I'll give you one task like I want you to be printing hello world 10 times. Hello world 10 times. How you can do that? You can use 10 printf statement inside in code. 10 printf statement. It's not good. Instead of doing that, I can choose for loop. Before going to discuss about this example by using for loop, let us discuss syntax of for loop. What is syntax for loop? For, it is a keyword, then two round brackets. Inside in round bracket, three different expressions. One is initialization. Initialization you can use more than one expression. I equal to 0, I greater than 0. You can use more than one initialization. Let us see some examples next video. Then conditions, you can use more than one condition also. Then increment, decrement, pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment, post-pre-decrement. So depends upon your logic, you can changing the condition or increment or decrement initialization also. Okay, inside in flower brackets, you can write code. This complete for loop structure. Okay, now let us first discussion about first expression. What is first expression is initialization. Initialization means we assign some values to the variable. Okay, you know one thing, this first expression executed first, this expression executed first and only once, then followed by conditions. Okay, then only it will come inside in for loop structure. After executing all statement inside in for loop structure, then finally it will execute this statement, third expression. Now we'll see about examples. Same example, we consider that 10 times printf statement. Okay, so now I write as include stdio.h. Okay, so now I'm writing int main, then open bracket. So I'm going to use for loop for I equal to 0, I less than 10, then I plus plus. Now I using printf statement hello world. I copy this. So hello world. Okay. So now we follow the same syntax for loop. Now I equal to 0. So using variable I, so that I can use int data type for declarations I equal to 0 less than 10 I plus plus. Okay. First expression executed first only once, I value is 0, then 0 less than 10, check condition. This checking condition, if it is true, then only it will come inside. Okay, if not true, if not condition is satisfied, the total loop is terminating for loop. If condition is not satisfied, let us assume 10 less than 10. Condition is satisfied? No, 10 less than 10 is not satisfied. So it is false. So terminating the for loop. Now we'll see the y value equal to 0. 0 less than 10. What happened? It will be printing hello world only one time. First time it will be printing. Now so you want to be print hello world line by line so that I can use /n. So after executing this printf statement, now it will be incrementing. What is incrementing? It was I 0. After incrementing, it will come 1. Now checking condition 1 less than 10. Now it will print second time hello world. second time hello world. Same like we can do for I will be incrementing 2. So 2 less than 10. So third time hello world. Let us assume I equal to 9. So 9 time will be printing hello world. If I will be 10 means, so what happened? 10 less than 10. Condition true or false? It is false. If it is false, total terminating the for loop structure. So I print 10 times hello world here. So this first time hello world when I equal to 0, next I equal to 1, next I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4, I equal to 5, then I equal to 6, I equal to 7, I equal to 8. Now next I equal to 9. If I equal to 9, it will come I value is 10, 10 less than 10, condition false, so total terminating the for loop, as I said before. Okay, changing the value of I 0 to 1. What will happen? How many times hello world will be printing? Executing write program, same program in online compiler, C compiler, then writing output in comment box, channel comment box, if I equal to 1. Okay, so this printf statement allow world executing many times till condition is met. Till condition is met. If condition is not met, totally terminating the for loop. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next video we will discuss about many examples for loop, and last end of the video I give 5 text programs you write output in comment box. Thank you.